Watch you don't fall backwards, Tyler.
That's a great view, Tyler.
This is a mess.
Hey.
You're slow, Mom. You're good at it. Freaking customs took forever. I don't know why. But they got our bags for us there.
Okay, Brennan, you gotta be up here then.
Okay, trying to catch an Uber is a hike. You gotta go up an elevator, across the bridge, up another elevator. I don't know. It's not too cold out. What's in there? This is my bed right here.
This is nice.
That's their bed. We got some green. I don't know what's over here. Oh, that's a closet. I was really thinking it was another whole room. It's awkward for me. Whoa, double vanity. A nice shirt. Oh, we got a bath and a shower. What are they doing over here? Oh shit, we're high.
See the thing and we get. Whoa!
I feel like we're the only kids here so far.
I know.
So that's how they do the green. That is. Yes! You can't really see anything except the bed.
Yeah, that's not.
So the Top Golf is over there. Maybe if we turn the lights off then try to look out.
This whole thing?
That was on video.
Wait, there's two TVs?
Turn the lights off, you can see more. So that is Stratosphere. That's where we're doing the rides. We're almost top floor. So it's like 3 o'clock, like our time, like feels like 3 o'clock. It's really midnight, but we're gonna go down to the lobby area and get something to eat and drink. There's not many kids, it's just a lot of people dancing and partying. Activities we cannot participate in. We're on the 20th floor, our other friends are on the 10th floor. Okay, we made it back to the room. Gotta turn my couch into a bed. Got my $6 bottle of water. Like, what are these prices? Okay. Ridiculous. And we're going to bed because right now it's like, for me it feels like 4:30. And we got up, get up at like 10 at least. Okay, so good night.
Yeah, when I feel poopy, it's all ready for you.